As a designer, I walk into most homes knowing exactly what I'd change. I walk into this one and I put my pen away. Espresso cabinetry, JennAir appliances, dedicated wine bar. Primary suite with a floor-to-ceiling statement shower. Designer finishes without the designer price tag. And the furniture works too. It's available. You just show up with a suitcase. That lanai earns a different name depending on the time of day. Coffee deck, cocktail hour, Saturday. Full-time or part-time, the community takes care of the rest. River access, marina, pool, hot tub, fitness, and the beach is right down the street. Lock up and leave, or never leave at all. Both work here. I'm Michelle Moss with the Reynolds team. The suitcase won't pack itself.